Hey guys, quick video on the tires for the Interceptor here. I really like the way this bike looks. I like these tires with the brown walls here. As best I can tell, you can't even get these from GT, at least not right now. These tires are cool, but you know, they really don't inspire confidence if you're going through a gutter or over something wet. So I found these Maxxis Grifters. They seem pretty cool. Had good reviews. They've got actual tread. And they have pretty much the same look. So I'm going to put these on and show you what those look like, and that'll be it. We're going to actually replace these tubes with slime tubes. I haven't gotten a flat on anything I put a slime tube on yet, so I'm going to do it now. I usually just put enough air in the tube to kind of keep it in the tire and put the whole thing together. That usually works pretty smooth, and if it doesn't, then I'll just edit it out. Well, there you go. There's a side-by-side comparison. Tire's definitely a little bit heavier. You wouldn't notice it if you weren't comparing them, but I think it looks pretty awesome. So we'll finish this up. So there you go. It looks pretty similar. It's got a lot more tread, more thickness here. Looks like it's probably going to have more traction. So that's nice. Got the slime tubes in there, so that should help out. And actually, while I had this wheel off, it just didn't seem quite right, the bearings in that hub, so I opened it up, put some grease in there. It feels a lot better, and that's it. So Maxxis Grifters seem like pretty nice tires. Check them out. Like and subscribe.